嘿 ，bro， 点一下。Hi everyone, my name is Judy. Today we talk about the LED flower touch screen. Yeah, okay, this screen has a human body sensor interaction. The use of the screens in the banquet hall, shopping mall, art runway and exhibition events have a wide range at demand. Yeah, exactly. And the flexible modular design clearly displays this customer's fit size can fit the special shape display. Let's take a look at its effect. So if you will know more about our product, just contact me and just follow me first. Yes, see you in next video. Bye.